Weighted mean. If we're going to do a weighted mean, it means that we have more than one thing in each category. So basically the first thing we're going to do is just multiply 7 employees times the 750 to find the total amount for those people, 7 times the 850 for the total here, 11 times the 925 for the total here. We're then going to find the average of those. So 7 times $7.50 would give you 52.5, right? 7 times my 850. 59.5 or 59.50 if you're writing money. And then 11 times $9.25. 101.75. We're going to add those values together. So go ahead and add those up for me. $213.75. Now that is the sum you would get if you took 750 plus 750 plus 757 of them and so forth. We really have a total of 25 employees. So if this is the total amount that they made for their hour, or their total for their hourly wage, and we had 25 employees and we want to find the mean or the average, we are going to take our $213.75, divide it by our 25 employees. That will give us the average pay for the employees per hour anyway. We are going to round our answer to 2 decimal places. And so if you divide that out and round that off to at least 2 decimal places, you would have 8.55. In other words, the average hourly wage would be $8.55. Okay? So on number 11, same kind of thing. I'm finding the weighted mean. First thing I'm going to do is multiply each of the numbers times, in this case, numbers again, the number of household times the number of children. So 3 times 4 would give me, you all yelled 12. 16 times 2, 32. 15 times 3, 45. And 4 times 6, 24. So I'm going to multiply that out and add all those numbers up. You got what? 113. There we go. 113. We're going to take that total of 113 divided by the total number of households that we had. In this case, it tells us 38. If they didn't tell us the number of households, we'd have to add those together, but I think most of the time they're nice and tell you what that number is. 113 divided by 38. We are rounding this one to 1 decimal place, it says. So they changed that on us. If you go farther than 1, you're okay because it says at least 1. And so if I round that off, I would get 3.0, did you say?
Yeah.
3.0. Okay? So number 12, same thing. We're finding the weighted mean. And so we're first of all going to start by doing all of our multiplying. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 2, 8, 9 times 5, 45. You already did that, right? You added that up and you got 62. We're going to take our 62 and divide it by 16 families. And this one we're doing at least 1 decimal place again. And so we would round that off to 3.9, exactly. 3.9. Okay, not so bad.